Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking yet another video, and welcome if you're new. My name is Teddy G, and on this channel I like to share what it's truly like to run a clothing brand, as well as drop in tips, tricks, gems and all of that good stuff. And I believe 2 videos ago I dropped the gem that is Tapstitch. Tapstitch is a print on demand platform, but it actually has clothing that you are actually going to want to sell to your customers. It's not just the basic tees, it's not just the basic crew necks, it's not just the basic hoodies. They care about the quality of their garments. They even have t-shirts with a GSM of 320, which is unlike anything I have ever seen on a print on demand website. Tapstitch is a platform that you are going to be able to link to your Shopify, so that when a customer makes an order on your Shopify website, Tapstitch is notified and they send out that order to your customer without you ever even touching the inventory. But I know that you guys definitely care about the kind of garments that they have on the website. It wouldn't be right if I didn't show you some of the garments. So I actually have a couple of bits from Tapstitch that I ordered, that I printed on to show you guys in this video, because I actually needed to see this quality in real life. Every streetwear brand needs to start off with a good t-shirt. This t-shirt right here that I'm about to show you is their 320 100% cotton t-shirt. The print style that I went for on this t-shirt was DTG. I got it in black. Let's get into the details. Starting off strong, it has a beautiful thick ribbed crew neck or collar, whatever you call this part of a garment, and the stitching is really good. This is the label that comes on a standard garment. Say if you didn't go ahead and opt to get your own label printed, and this is what the t-shirt looks like from afar. If I zoom in, that is the quality of the fabric. And I must say the print came out really well. So this is a concept that I've been playing around with for t-shirts for my clothing brand, because guess what guys, we are going to be relaunching. So that is Shopify World, and then I went for a lovely big print on the back. And you can see the level of detail in the print, and the print is really nice. It's got that soft feel, like you actually cannot tell the difference between the print and the actual fabric itself, which is why I'm always keen on using DTG printing. I went for a medium, which is obviously not my size, but I will try it on for you guys so that you can see exactly how it fits on me. The next product that I went for was a tracksuit bottom. The reason why I went for the tracksuit bottom is because on a lot of print on demand websites, they don't have tracksuit bottoms, and I've always wondered, like, why? Are they hard to make or something? Tapstitch has tracksuit bottoms, so I ordered a black tracksuit bottom, and it's not the cuffed leg because I'm not a big fan of cuff legs, so it's this nice kind of straight fit tracksuit bottom. Another thing that I am not a big fan of are drawstrings. Even with my hoodies, I don't like drawstrings, but they are necessary. So they actually have the drawstring on the inside, which allows the tracksuit bottom to have a nice clean finish. I also got Shopify World printed on here, and it came out really nice. Again, that soft feel. The tracksuit bottom as a whole, really nice. I'm gonna also try these on as well. This is in a size small, which is more or less my size. I am actually gonna put it on top of what I'm wearing right now, because yeah. But yeah guys, those are the bits that I picked up from Tapstitch, and I am really impressed with the quality. The spec of these tracksuit bottoms, let me just have a quick look. These are 320 GSM, which I feel like is quite a decent GSM for a tracksuit bottom. They come in black, grey and navy blue, and the print they use on this is either DTF, which is direct to film, or DTG. In my case, for this print they used DTF, so direct to film, but it's still a really nice feel. So it's nice that I actually got to see both types of print. I placed my order on the 3rd of March, and the garments were actually delivered to me on the 11th of March. So they had a really good turnaround time, which was amazing. And obviously the more you order, the cheaper each garment is going to be. But in my case, the 320 GSM t-shirt was almost $19 US to order as a single turn and printed, and the tracksuit bottom printed was was almost 17 US dollars. So guys, of course I am going to have Tapstitch linked in my description and in my pinned comment, so definitely check it out, order some samples, see how you feel about the garments, and yeah, happy printing, happy POD. I am a full-on supporter of print on demand if it's Tapstitch. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will catch you in my very next video.